Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to buy an iCloud storage. All right, so first up, go ahead over to your settings app right here, tap on it. Now what you'll do is just tap on your iCloud, Apple ID or Apple account at the very top. Tap on it, and then once done, go ahead over to iCloud, okay? Tap on iCloud, and then in here, as you can see, we have this option that says upgrade for more storage, okay? So when you go ahead and scroll all the way down from here, you go ahead and tap on upgrade to iCloud Plus here as well. So it says up to 12 terabyte of storage is available for purchase. Okay, so let's go ahead and go back to the top and tap on upgrade for more storage. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, as you can see here, for less than $1, you can now go ahead and get 50 more gigs. Okay, but this one is a monthly recurring payment. Okay, so everything right here will be billed monthly. So for $3, you'll have 200 gig. And for $10 right here, okay, you'll have 2 terabytes. Now, if you want to upgrade, just basically tap on upgrade to iCloud right here or upgrade to Cloud Plus. Go ahead and tap on subscribe and just basically follow simple prompts. Okay, go ahead and write down your password. And then after that, if you already have a payment method set up in your account, all you got to do is just write down your password right here and it will be automatically bought. And when you go ahead and check your iCloud right here, it should say the upgrade that you have purchased. Okay? And that's how simple it is to buy an iCloud storage. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.